Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the fungis.io, what exactly it is. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So, Fungis.io is a known code, low code platform for indie game developers. It allows you to create your own game storefront, sell DRM-free games, Steam keys, NFTs, and in-game assets. So basically, selling platform. Avoid heavy platform fees and keep full control over your revenue and the brand. Key features: drag and drop functionality like the store builder, no coding needed, accept payments via Stripe or to crypto, sell digital downloads, keys, DLCs, and the bundles, built in analytics and the customer insights, email marketing tools, optional Web3 NFT integration is there. Why use Fungize.io? Keep 100% of your revenue, no 30% cap like Steam. Build your own branded storefront, direct relationship with your customers, more control over pricing, sales, and promotions. Monetize beyond just game sales, NFTs, bundles, and add ons. Fungize versus other platforms. So, first of all, that is Fungize.io, no code store builder. So, Fungize is given on Steam, not itch.io, yes, but Shopify, yes. No revenue cut. Franchise, no. Steam, 30%. Itch.io, small, but Shopify, yeah, for that one, Stripe. Web3 ready, yes, but the rest of that is no. Analytics and email marketing, yes. Steam limited. Itch.io, no. And Shopify, yes. Your own branding, you can do it that one. Steam, no. Itch.io, partial. And the Shopify, it's yes. But Shopify, for the per order, you are going to pay for that one. Okay. So this is the difference between the other platforms and the Fungis.io. So let's go and explore this, and let me know in comment section like this platform do better than the others. Let me know. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.